Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can find add nearby friends on Snapchat. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at top left corner of the screen and a bunch of settings will appear. On this page, scroll down a little bit until you see Snap Map. Once you find it, tap on it and you will be able to see all of your nearby friends. In order to share your own location with them, tap on the gear cog icon at top right corner of the screen and a menu will be displayed. Inside it, disable Ghost Mode and your location will also be shared. That's how you can find add nearby friends on Snapchat. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.